Dear students, last class you have learnt about p block elements. The one of the topic we have discussed in the earlier classes, that is anomalous behavior of p block elements. So the factor which is responsible for the anomalous behavior, already I told that anomalous means illogical or contradictory. That means முரண்பாடான தன்மைகள். See, that is due to what are all the factors? Smaller in size, then high electronegativity, and then high ionization enthalpy, and then absence of d orbital in the outermost shell. These are all the factors which is responsible for the anomalous behavior of p block elements. Now in this session we are going to discuss group wise. There are different groups in the p block element, namely we have starting from boron to the helium. That means 13th group to 18th group up to that, right? The first group now we are going to discuss, that is group 13 element. Group 13 element. In the group 13 there are many elements. The first member of group 13, that is boron. Boron. The symbol of boron is metalloid. Still, what is that? Boron is metalloid. What is mean by metalloid? Metalloid means pseudo metal. உலோக போலிகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். It has a metallic as well as non-metallic character. Metallic as well as non-metallic character. And then except boron, all other elements are reactive metals. Say for example aluminum. Isn't it? Right. Then boron has a diagonal property. So boron diagonal relationship with the silicon of group 14. Boron which is diagonal relationship with silicon. That means மூலை விட்ட தொடர்பு. It has a similar properties. Boron as well as silicon will possess same characters, similar properties. That is called diagonal relationship. Both are different groups. Elements of boron and element of silicon, both are placed in the different groups, but it possesses similar characters. That is called diagonal relationship. Say for example, boron oxides of boron and silicon, both will possess the similar acidic nature. Oxides of boron and then silicon எப்படி இருக்கும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதோட acidic nature similar-ஆ இருக்கும். Then it forms covalent hydrides. This is acidic nature. And then covalent hydrides. It forms covalent hydrides that are easily hydrolyzed. Then one more thing is it forms halides. Boron as well as silicon, it forms halide compounds. Except boron trifluoride, all other halides of these elements are readily hydrolyzed. hydrolyzed. So those properties are similar between boron and silicon, so that it has a diagonal relationship. These are all the anomalous behavior of group 13 elements. Group 13 elements. Then next one, group 14 elements. Group 14 elements. Group 14th elements. The first member of group 14 element, first member is carbon. First member is carbon. Carbon is strictly non-metal. Then other elements of 14th group, say for example silicon and germanium, metallites. In the 14th group, the first member of carbon is strictly non-metal, and then silicon, germanium, metallites. Then tin, stannous and tin and lead, Pb, are metals. So the various element which is present in the same group, non-metals, metallites, metals. Right? Carbon will possess a unique character. Carbon form multiple bonds with itself and other elements. Say for example C, double bond C, then C, double bond. It makes multiple bonds. Multiple bonds. It has a tendency to form a chain of bonds, are like compounds with itself or other elements. This kind of property, which is known as catenation. Self-linking properties, otherwise it is called self-linking property. This is you are going to study it in the earlier classes. That means in your 11th standard you have studied about a little character in the organic chemistry. See, we have recalled it here now. So catenation. So carbon has a unique character, that is catenation. Catenation means self-linking property. It makes a multiple bond with itself or other elements. The tendency to form chain of compounds. It's a very much important property. It is used in the organic chemistry because without carbon there is no compounds in the organic, isn't it? So carbon is the essential one. You form a chain of compound, that is due to the property called catenation. Toduppu panbu. To making a garland, using small flowers, we can make a garland. அதாவது சின்ன சின்ன பூக்களை வச்சு ஒரு மாலையை உருவாக்குறோம். The same property, catenation. Are you understand that? Right. So the considerable, you know that the catenation property, there is a considerable decrease in the catenation property down the group. See the order: carbon, silicon, stannous, germanium, stannous, and then Pb. So this is the order of catenation property down the group. So decreases, right? So carbon possesses the catenation property. So even comparing other elements, other elements. So far we have discussed in the session anomalous behavior of group 13 elements and then anomalous behavior of group 14th elements. In the later classes, that means next class, we are going to discuss group 15 and then group 16 up to group 18th elements. Okay, right, thank you.